guys, before I actually show you the results, yo guys, welcome back to a new video. I know I missed last week's upload partly because last week I was at a competition and I did film a video the week before which was on my GoPro, and I managed to lose my GoPro at the competition, so last week's upload didn't happen because I'm a GoPro down from now. So that's beside the point. So today, I mean, a few of you guys have been asking like the performance mods, what are you going to do performance wise for the Audi TT. Now I think the very first step to see if we actually make any performance gains is to find out what it's running at the moment. Now you guys have sort of followed me through the whole TT build from the start to where we are right now, and you'll know all the different mods that we've done on it. If you haven't, click in the top right hand corner and you'll be able to watch them all again, and you'll be able to see from the start and what we've done and how we've got to this stage so far. Right now I am driving my Audi TT 2006. It's on 116,000 miles. Performance wise it's completely standard. Cosmetic wise it's had wraps, all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to explain the whole thing, but it's only been modified cosmetically wise. So now we're heading off to Speed Ministry, which is at Mallory Park. It's one of my good friends, he's got a dyno there. We're going to run the TT on the dyno, completely standard, and see what it runs, see how much power it's lost, and then obviously when we do these performance modifications that we possibly will do, we'll be able to see afterwards if we've actually gained any power and has it been worth the money as well. So let's head off to Speed Ministry now in Leicester, Mallory Park, and we're going to see what the performance is on this Audi TT. Guys, before we carry on the rest of this video as well, if you're not already subscribed, because I've noticed that 80% of the video viewers on my channel are not subscribers. So you guys that are subscribed, massive respect to you, but the guys which ain't, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button right now and let's head to Mallory Park. Let's go. So we are literally just arriving now. Oh, I've got to talk to some guy. Hang on, check back here in a minute.
For the event?
No, I didn't know there was an event. Go to Speed Ministry.
I don't know where that is.
Well, it's supposed to be in there. Units 1 to 5, Mallory Park.
If you go to the next spot,
yeah,
he'll know more than I will anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, just speak to him.
Alright, cheers.
Oh, yeah.
So, we're inside. What the TT's meant to run standard is 197 BHP, which is highly unlikely from a 2006, 116,000 miles. So it has been serviced regular, but we will find out. Let's get it on the dyno. Is it going to get on with the bike? Do it. Yeah, we're good.
On the roof? Yeah, on the roof. Fucking hell.
Is it actually touching?
Yeah.
Right, earphones are on. Oh, it's a noisy already. So we're about to run it on. Obviously you guys know it's completely standard. 2006 Audi TT. Let's see what it runs. I think we're just warming up the dyno. So it's probably people asking as well, why is the bike on the roof? Well, the bike's on the roof because it is on the roof, and we do it different, and that's just how we roll. So the bike's on the roof. It is so close. It's so close to the roof, and that's how we're rolling. That's how we do it. It's Matt Armstrong BMX. It wouldn't be right if it weren't a BMX. Right, let's do it. not bad. So run number 2 is loud. So, right guys, before I actually show you the results, I know them before already as well. Actually, it's not that bad, and we did 2 runs. So on the first run, as you can see on the results, it was, what was it, 197?
191 on the first one.
Was it 191? Yeah, so, oh, so it's actually better on the second run. So on the first run, it was 191 BHP. What was the torque, can you remember?
Can't remember.
Can't remember the torque, but it's obviously, I've inserted it in the video right now. And on the second run, it's 195 BHP and 239 pounds of torque. 239 pounds of torque, which for how old it is,
it's a hot day.
Yeah, it's a hot day from 197 standard, completely standard obviously apart from the exhaust. I've obviously done good servicing on this car. So I'm actually, let me know in the comments what you think, what yours ran from standard, and if, do you think that was actually like a not bad little run for the hot day as well, probably like what, 27 degrees? 27 degrees as well. So let me guys know if you want to see any performance modifications in the comments, but obviously the high mileage that it is, we don't want to see it blown up because I do actually need to use it every day. Baz said something happened on the last run as well, so we're about to find out whether when we pull it forward the engine stays on the dyno, but we'll find out when we pull it forward. But actually not very disappointing at all. So let's get the car out and oh yeah, I'll show you a bit more of I was actually saying it was Speed Ministry on the way here, but the name is changed now to Mallory Performance. If you guys want to check them out, links in description. So they do all sorts of performance tuning. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to have an M2 or a C63 to come here. Obviously they do cars like mine, your Audi TTs, your Golfs, all that sort of stuff as well. You just go give them a shout. Modifications to get the car out. The TT still started, so that's a good sign.
Wrong way, Baz.
Yeah, sweet clear. Guys, so I don't know if I'm going to end the video here. I have got some few interior mods which I might clip to. I've got to do when I get back to the car. Few little more modifications that I've got to do for the TT, but if I don't do it in this video, it will be on the next video, so obviously make sure you subscribe. But if I do end the video here, thanks for watching guys, and oh, speed bump. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the dyno results. I think was it 195 when the standard BHP is meant to be 197. That is brilliant really for a mileage of 116,000 and the car being a 2006 car. So you imagine the amount of stress the clutch has gone through, the engine wear and everything like that, and even the carbon build up. Yeah, so guys, let me know if you want to see any performance mods on the car, because I think it's maybe something I would look going down. I don't want to tune it too much, obviously, because it is an old car, because it is quite high mileage and it's going to put a lot of stress on the engine. So I'm kind of happy with it at the minute, but maybe like an induction kit and a stage 1 remap, that will probably do it for me. But let me know if you want to see that. So if I end the video here, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. We've got some few interior mods, but if I don't end the video here, we'll clip to the interior mods right now. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.